Have you ever opened Chrome on Android and it started opening pages on its own before you even touch the screen? Just one setting, enabled by default, that makes the browser act before you do. And so many people don't even know it exists. Stay with me for 1 minute. Open Chrome. Settings. Privacy and security. Preload pages. This setting's job is to let the browser preload expected pages and links in the background before you actually tap on them. What does that mean? It means Chrome connects to websites you haven't even decided to visit yet. This setting is enabled by default on an option called Standard Preloading. Google says the goal is speed, so pages open faster, and that's true. But in return, the browser uses your internet connection, opens network connections, and acts on your behalf. If you're someone who cares about control and wants to know when and why your device connects to the internet, this setting needs to be reviewed. That's why you should set it to no preloading. This way, no page will load unless you tap it yourself. In the end, if this is the first time you've heard about this setting, tell me in the comments, did you know about it or not? And if you're interested in understanding Android settings clearly and without exaggeration, subscribe to the channel because what's coming next is much stronger than this.